Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 50 here on season 2. And today we are getting into Stash is rolling out individual stocks. Yeah, you heard that right. Crazy game changer. Anyways, these videos are for educational purposes only and not meant to be taken as financial advice. You're responsible to protect your own assets. So always do your own research. However, without further ado, please welcome Super Bowl 52 winner and MVP world champion, Nick Foles. Hi, Nick. Hi. Looks like he doesn't respond. Anyways, he's here now. He's here now. In case you missed the live stream last night, it was like super fun. We had so much fun. I was like putting him up on the wall. It was really like a time where I got to kind of like let the hair down and just have more fun and not talk so much about investments and that kind of thing. So we do have a plan for coming out with more live streams like that. I'm super excited because last night was just so much fun. But let's get into it. So I rolled out of bed on Thursday morning, which was yesterday morning, and boom, I got an email that says Stash is now going to be offering individual stocks. Please take a vote on which ones you would like. And so I will, at the very end of the episode, place my vote. So this is something that I did see coming. I just figured that it would be actually maybe next quarter or during the summertime. Just didn't really honestly expect it to be here that fast. It's here and it's awesome. I really honestly like the fact that they'll be offering individual stocks and be able to purchase at fractional with fractional shares. I think that that's really a game changer for a beginning investor with a small account. And I'm also sure that they'll be able to offer this individual stocks at the same price, which is $1 a month for the same like Stash Invest account. I don't think it's going to change because they're offering their fractional share of individual stocks now. However, you're sitting there like, okay, great. Like, what stocks are they going to release? I'm almost positive it's going to be large market cap, huge market cap stocks like Facebook, Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, and there's probably like 4 or 5 more in there. But those ones would be the ones that I would assume those are going to be pretty safe and not volatile stocks that still have been generating a pretty consistent return. Is it kind of weird? Like Nick Foles hanging out on the shoulder. Hey, Nick, hanging on the shoulder. Hey, what's up? Just here throwing a football. Distraction already. Another thing though with these individual stocks is that most of these stocks are already honestly you're already probably exposed to if you hold any other ETFs on Stash, because they are going to be those large company blue chip S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average type of stocks. I think because Stash has done an excellent job at educating their users, I think it's a great way to help people that are looking for maybe a more risky type of portfolio to help them expose to that type of risk while still applying the same principles and good strategic investment strategy that they would with ETFs to those bigger company stocks. Selfishly, I'm like sitting here crossing my fingers hoping that they don't like offer a ton of individual stocks, because my goal is to own every single ETF or stock that's offered through Stash and then go back and then buy my percentages and turn those up to the specific percentages that I want. And if they continue to roll out ETFs and stocks, then I'll never actually get to put more into park my cash, put more into real estate investments, put more into other kind of ETFs that I would like to open myself more exposure to. But for now, it's like I'm just sitting here every single month, it seems like, buying a new ETF or a new stock that Stash is releasing. Selfishly, I hope that they slow down so that way I don't gotta like change my whole strategy on how I'm going to invest into Stash. I'm super stoked to show you every single stock that they release when they are released or when they're announced. So let's go ahead and finish off with the final vote. So this is where you go to vote. You go to stocks.stashinvest.com, introducing a single stock the Stash way, launching 2-7. So here in the next 5 days, actually 4 days, 3 days probably since this video released. So we'll go ahead and put the bank or the stock that I'm looking at I would like Stash to add. It's called, actually, FBP is the ticker. It's called First Bank Corp. It's a bank that exists in Puerto Rico, and their stock price right now is around $6. I got in at like $5.50, and I think that honestly they could be a little bit undervalued. So I'm gonna go ahead and submit them for the vote. I don't think it will possibly happen, and I think I'll be the only one that ever votes for this. But why not? Let's submit that and see what happens. Come on, Stash. Let's make a move here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Your voice has been heard. Now amplify it. Get 3 friends to vote, and we will 10x your vote. Then check Stash Tuesday to see if your vote made it. Right here's my link if you guys want to use it, but if not, whatever, it's cool. I don't care if it gets used or not. No question of the day today. It's a super or longer style kind of episode, but like I always say, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here around Nick Foles' head and check out my Stash recap, January edition. Check out the video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.